Don't waste your time on cheap shovels, as they will break when you need them the most. Instead, get this shovel from Bully Tools that is meant to last a lifetime. It has so many incredible features. Let me show you. To start off with, this is a US company and this is made in the USA. It has this really solid rubbery cover on the top that's an excellent grip. And then this fiberglass pole that is super sturdy, and it has some heft. Holding it up like this, I can definitely feel it. And that's thanks to the main shovel itself, which is crazy sturdy and has these really nice big step pieces right here, so you can really drive it in deep, and a great sharp point on the end. So of course I gotta put it to the test. There is this massive stump here. This is what broke the other shovel. Let's see how this one does. Of course I tackled a project that was probably too big for a quick video, but I'm trying to get these out, and I keep finding these huge roots from whatever this plant was. The shovel is having no problem at all going through all of this. I'm the one wearing down, so I will be taking a break and continue on, but I cannot recommend this shovel enough. Super sturdy, holding up to all of it. Bully Tools is a winner.